Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today we're going to give you a little tip about closet organization. Two quick things that really can make a huge impact. So we're probably at the change of the seasons, maybe where you are, and maybe we're thinking about taking out summer, rotating in some more fall and winter items. This is a great opportunity to follow our tip. So if you haven't done this yet, I would recommend you do a swap out of your hangers. So if you've got those large plastic hangers, we love to switch to a thin style hanger. These can be easily found on Amazon. They've got them at Target and Walmart now as well. Pretty easy to find, but we've actually measured and you can save at least 5 to 10 inches of hanging space in your closet by switching over to these hangers. So that's my number one tip when you are changing out your wardrobe. Let's go ahead and change out those hangers as well. The second piece is to figure out how you like to get dressed. And personally, and for the clients we've worked with, a lot of them enjoy seeing colors. So seeing light colors together. You've even probably seen some people do the colors of the rainbow, such as Roy G. Biv. And you can kind of have your reds together, right? Red, orange, yellow, and you can kind of see the rainbow as you're getting ready. That can be really fun. Great way to see everything that you have in your wardrobe inventory and get ready very quickly and efficiently. We have also played with other color schemes as well. And I think we have one on our website or a blog post recently, but just playing around with, if the Roy G. Biv doesn't work for you, sometimes we go, neutrals, patterns, and then brighter colors. We've even separated it out into, work clothes, workout clothes, or athleisure. And just, clothes for lounging around the house and just kind of categorizing it that way. So if you're going to do a swap out, go for those hangers, set up something that looks aesthetically pleasing to you. And I promise you're going to have so much more fun when you are getting ready in your closet. So if you need any help doing that, please reach out to us at Meat and Potatoes or let us know how it goes for you in the comments. We'd love to hear. And we'll talk to you next week.